Welcome back to Archiescents. An international client with a love of nature chose a remote location in South Africa to build their home. The location offers spectacular panoramic views with a diverse landscape. The design of the house is divided into 3 simple pavilions that are connected to each other. The layout is designed to provide a flowing experience from one space to another, from the entrance to the various areas such as the living room, bedrooms, and outdoor spaces. The main design principle was to blend in with the landscape and create a calm atmosphere. The use of dominant horizontal lines and a flat roof help achieve this goal. The design focuses on creating a strong connection between the interior and exterior spaces. The main spaces are designed to respond to the surrounding environment, while intimate spaces provide a more tranquil atmosphere. The choice of materials such as wood, stone, and metal provides a natural and warm look. The house was also designed with sustainability in mind, with the use of solar energy and a battery system. The process of building a house in a remote location faced several challenges. However, the end result is a beautiful, high-quality home that blends in with its surroundings.